See if they give us a different one. Oh, yeah. He's good, man.
Sometimes you like.
Or switch to me now.
Let's say swap.
Oh, swap. Is he supposed to have the green or the blue diamond?
I think the green.
Because he's got green. Yeah, he's highlighted green.
And it's in front of you now?
It's in front of him.
Oh.
But it's letting me tap.
Yeah, you can
Oh,
both
will it?
tap
Okay. Well, come on, let's chop chop. Oh, yeah, left one again.
What is he supposed to be hitting?
There's like 3 buttons.
Oh,
And
okay.
it'll be like one of them will be highlighted.
Uh-huh.
And you like are supposed to press it.
Oh, okay.
Right there. Oh, did you get it? Is it the wrong hand?
Oh, he's.
I know, it's tough.
Oh, there you go. Left hand now. Now I'm getting it. Okay, I'm the idiot. Hey, I don't agree with that statement. Hey, I thought we were cool, sir. I ain't calling you sir no more.